Now I am going to explain the simulation results of the design of 4-port silicon router using XY routing algorithm with performance comparison. Firstly, open the VMware software by clicking on the icon. Then click on the Windows XP Professional operating system. Now the Windows XP Professional is getting opened. Now open the Cygwin by clicking on the Cygwin icon on the desktop. The Cygwin command box will be opened and the dollar symbol will be blinking. Then type cd space ... Press enter. Then type cd space small co. Then type ls. Then type cd space mmkc. Then type startx. Press enter. The Cygwin window will be opened. There type /ns space new.tcl. This is the running command. Then double click. Two windows will be opened. One is the NAM window, that is the network animator window, and the next window is the simulation play window. I am enlarging the window. This is the simulation play window, which shows the structure of the 4-port silicon router. You can zoom the window by navigating the cursor. You can see the entire view of the 4-port silicon router. Number 2, number 42, number 32 and number 1 are the 4 ports of the 4-port silicon router. Now click on the play button and start the simulation. You can adjust the speed or the time, which is in milliseconds, for the communication of packets. I am increasing the time to 15.8 millisecond. So now the packet is starting from 29 to 41, then from 6 to 23. Likewise, from 24 to 14, from 8 to 22. The simulation is completed. Now close the windows to exit the Cygwin. Press exit and finally close the window, Cygwin window. Now again, to get the graph from the simulation, we have to do the similar procedure. Open the Cygwin by clicking on the Cygwin icon, double click, The SIGWIN command box will be opened. Now the dollar sign is blinking. Then type cd space dot dot. Then type cd space small co. Then type ls. Then type cd space mmkc. Then type startx. The SIGWIN window will be opened. There type /ns space new ot.tcl. Now press enter. The SIGWIN window will be opened. Actually, the three new windows will be opened. Three graphs are generated. So click 3 times. Now the first graph that is obtained is the power consumption versus time. So this graph indicates power in the y-axis and time in the x-axis. The power consumption is being reduced here for the proposed system. The proposed system is indicated by the red line. It is reduced within 0.400 joules than the existing. Within the red line is the proposed system, and it is reduced within 0.400 joules. Now I am closing the window. The next graph is between delay, there is packet delay and time. Here the packet delay for the proposed system, that is indicated by the red line, is reduced within 0.7000 milliseconds than the existing. The red line is the proposed system. Now again I am closing the second graph. Now finally the third graph, that is packets in MB, that is throughput. That is the graph is between throughput and time. Here the proposed system again is indicated by the red line, and it shows the throughput is maximum, that is 100 MB. That is 100 MB. So now again I am closing this graph. Now close the SIGWIN window by pressing exit. The entire SIGWIN command box is closed. Then power off the VMware player. This is the entire simulation for this project.